Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about like worksheets. This is a very interesting tool to use to teach children and students on the internet. Live worksheets are assignments that you can find on the internet and you can make them where the student can practice as many times as they want what they are learning. In here I have my first activity and we're going to learn how to do it. You have to click on the link that it appears and then you will get the practice worksheet. In this worksheet you have to join with arrows or lines the questions that are on your left side. Join them with the answers that are on your right. Then as you can see in the screen there appears that I have made some of them, and when you finish that you can just click on the finish button and then it will appear a box where you have to click on the check button, check by answers, and then after that you will get your final score. My second activity, you have to click on the link and then it will appear something like this that you can see on the screen, where you have to drag the words that are on the blue line, put them on the bottom where there is the purple color, and you have to make the right questions. When you're finished and you're done, just click on the finish button, and after that you just check my answer. In this you click on the check my answers and then you will get your final scores. As you can see, I made a mistake here. Well, I did it on purpose. And my last activity, it's with a video. It's a listen activity where the children have to pay attention. You click on the link and then it will appear something like a video, where you click and watch the video, and when you're finished or the students are finished, then they will select the questions according to the video. So for example, what Pandora and Epiphimus received from Zeus? A present or a box? Well, I select here a present, and then when you're done you click on the finish button and then it appears check my answers, clicking there, and then you will get the score. Here we have 8 out of 10, and if you can see on the right side of the screen, you can check that the answers that are wrong appear in red, the answers that are correct appear in brown. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you have understand. See you next time. Bye.